And welcome again. Can you guess what G-SHOCK we brought here today? Yes, this is the G-SHOCK DW-5610SU, which comes in two different modern colors. These new models change from the past one-piece bezel to a bezel molded using two layers of different colors. The DW-5610SU3 model comes with an amazing black and military green bezel combination. Meanwhile, the DW-5610SU also comes with the same black bezel, but with more neutral combination colors which are gray. The military green color is definitely a favorite color, especially the watch combined with black LCD, which makes it really cool. But the black-gray combination is also a nice and neutral colored touch for most people. Here a question for you. Which one is your choice? Green or gray? You must be wondering, what feature does Casio bring to this new DW-5610SU model? Unfortunately, nothing new. The features are exactly the same as the base 5600 model, such as timekeeping, alarm, timer, and stopwatch. But you certainly don't expect advanced features when purchasing a G-SHOCK, do you? With a $99 price, there are certainly many other watches that are more sophisticated than this DW-5610SU. Is $99 too expensive? But why do so many people still choosing G-SHOCK? The answer may be because the G-SHOCK brand is very well known for their excellent products. When you buy a G-SHOCK, a big chance you will likely be able to wear it for 5 to 10 years. There is almost nothing physically different in the design of this watch, including the small stainless steel buttons. This was because Casio wanted to retain their 5600 design from decades ago, which they called back to origin. But of course, there are exceptions to some parts such as the resin band, which now looks more modern and elegant. Not to mention it's also stronger and more comfortable. Not only that, this DW-5610SU band also has a lever for quick strap replacement. You just need to push the lever in and pull this resin band out of the lug. It's so quick and easy, right? And to put it back again, you just need to do the same process. The DW-5610SU is an extremely lightweight G-SHOCK model, with only 52 grams. It's just like wearing nothing on your wrist, and certainly won't interfere with your activities at all. You can wear it all day long and still don't feel tired in your hands. And with this negative LCD display, it almost guarantees that this low-end G-SHOCK model will be quite accepted by the market. But Casio will also face many challenges from other brands that continue to emerge with more modern technology, especially smartwatch models. For example, the G-SHOCK LED technology looks very behind when we compare it to current smartwatch technology. To survive, inevitably Casio must adapt to the development of modern watches. That's it, our quick reviews between these two DW-5610SU G-SHOCK model. Write your question in the comments column, and we will respond as soon as possible. We'll be back with many new videos. You can subscribe and ring the bell so we can notify you.